Hello everyone, Ndi Igbo, Ndi and everybody, and well wishers. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Nnamdi Kanu. He's in court today, so hear what he have to say.
Listen, this is the laws of Nigeria. The prosecution,
okay.
The prosecution,
what he's
and this court doesn't know the law. That is the fact.
Yes.
Poor knowledge of the law is killing Nigeria. Poor knowledge of the law, they don't know the law. This is a federal gazetted law of Nigeria.
You know, for yourself.
That says here,
you don't know the law in Nigeria.
That the chief judge of Nigeria cannot tell Binta Nyako what to do. It's here. It's your law.
Law of Nigeria.
Just obey it.
So
that is why I do what I do. I agitate for Biafra. I agitate for Biafra. My right to agitate. My right.
And then
they turned it from reasonable felony
his case
now to terrorism.
From agitation to terrorism.
Stop talking when I'm talking.
When I talk about these things, people think I'm just, you know, they want me to be on one side and say no. You have to bring both sides of this problem and share it with the public, and then the public will dissect it and make whatever they want to make out of it. Nnamdi Kanu can be released with just one phone call. The other day, he said that nobody should beg Bola Tinubu on his behalf, that he wants to use due process by the law. It sounds good on paper, Makachuku. It sounds good on paper. But the realistic thing about it is that he's still a threat to them. He knows too much. At the end of the day, what will solve this problem is still one phone call and backroom negotiation. He is in jail. If you follow due process, let's say Nigeria is like America. Let's say Nigeria is like the United States of America. He will not be in prison. The only thing they will do is there will be surveillance, 24 hours watching his movement and everything. But we are talking about Nigeria. All these, you know, gra on everybody's side will not solve this problem. Now, they have adjourned his case indefinitely. This is before he come to court, they say another court case is so and so. No, they adjourned it indefinitely because of the fact that they felt that there is nothing else they can do. You know, the people that call the shot don't want to budge. You know, so now they have postponed it indefinitely. What will solve Nnamdi Kanu case is negotiation with the power that be in Nigeria. If he want to go in the purest aspect of it, go through law and all that stuff, it's not going to happen. In my own case, it's a political detention. I think that's what I'm looking at it from. You know, whatever issue they think he will impose on Nigeria, whatever they think is the case, is what they are standing on. Do I think it's fair? You know, if I'm standing on, you know, freedom of expression, I'll tell you it's not fair. You understand? I have made video about Nnamdi Kanu because some of you guys, and I love you guys have been following it on my page, you know. It's a case of one phone call. Just a phone call will solve this problem. But I guess things is getting harder now. What will it take for Nnamdi Kanu to be released? I don't know. The political capital that Southeast politicians have, they can use to release Nnamdi Kanu, from what I'm seeing, have been exhausted. it would take the president on his own and say, okay, release him. Yes, and I stand on it, because what is going on in Nigeria, the law is ceremonial. The law is very, very ceremonial. They can break it at their own will, and you can't do nothing. He's at their mercy, to be honest with you now. He is at their mercy. 2023 election, the going to court, tribunal, all that stuff. If that haven't taught you a lesson about Nigeria's system, then there's nothing will. If that doesn't teach you a lesson, that nothing will. I pray maybe somehow things will be done and he'll be free. The sad part, he's in prison, but his father and mother died. He couldn't attend their burial. You know? So tell me what you think watching this video, and then let's have a conversation. What do you think? Am I making sense, or I'm just talking rubbish? Because as I said, this channel is about us discussing things that concerns us as umunne. Nnamdi Kanu mean well. I watched his old videos before Biafra agitation started. This guy was a staunch Nigerian nationalist. He sounds like somebody who is pro-Nigeria. Whatever that triggered him to start pushing for Biafra, we need to know and solve the problem once and for all. I saw his videos that when he was in UK, he staunch before even talking about Biafra, because the Biafra thing started when Buhari took office. You know, to his supporters, to everybody that supported Nnamdi Kanu, all you have to do is continue to put him in your prayers, and then pray that the power that be will see, you know, a way to release him. Because it's not looking good. It's just one phone call. Forget the law. In this video, he's right. What he's saying about the law is right. But then again, this is Nigeria. This is Nigeria. This is Nigeria. He have a voice. He have followers. And because of that, they feel like, oh no, we might release this guy again, and then he will continue doing what he's doing, or whatever the case may be. But the point I'm saying here is that whatever he's saying in this video, legal people will tell you, yeah. But it goes back to the old videos that I made about Nnamdi Kanu, telling you that the law is not what is holding him. What is holding him is power. Speak to the power. Maybe at their mercy, that's okay, release him with conditions. So that's it. That's it for the video, man. If you have anything to add to it, as I said earlier, add it and let's have conversation.